Have you ever wondered why some men have thick, luscious hair while others struggle with thinning strands and receding hairlines? This question often stirs up a whirlwind of thoughts among those who find themselves on the losing side of this hair-raising battle. Hair loss, a common issue that many men grapple with, can be a source of significant psychological distress. It can chip away at self-esteem, engendering feelings of insecurity and inadequacy. There's a myriad of misconceptions surrounding this topic, from the belief that wearing hats can cause baldness to the notion that hair loss is purely a game of genetic roulette. These misconceptions often lead to unnecessary worry and misguided attempts at prevention. The truth is, hair loss is a complex issue, influenced by a variety of factors. Yet, what if we told you that there's more to hair growth than just genetics and age? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the science behind hair growth and the role of supplements in promoting thicker, fuller, and stronger hair. Hair growth isn't as straightforward as you may think. It's an intricate process that involves a series of phases, nutrients, and hormones. Let's break it down, shall we? First, we have the hair growth cycle. This cycle consists of 3 phases: anagen, catagen, and telogen. The anagen phase is the growth phase, where your hair follicles are busy producing hair. This phase can last anywhere from 2 to 7 years. Then we have the catagen phase, a transitional stage that lasts for about 2 to 3 weeks. Lastly, there's the telogen phase, where the hair rests and eventually falls out. This phase lasts for about 3 months, and then the cycle starts anew. Now let's talk about the role of nutrients and hormones in this process. Nutrients, such as proteins, vitamins, and minerals, are fundamental for hair growth. Proteins, for instance, are the building blocks of hair, while vitamins and minerals, like biotin and iron, promote healthy hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles. As for hormones, they too play a significant role in hair growth. Testosterone, the primary male hormone, is converted into dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, by an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. Too much DHT can shrink hair follicles and shorten the hair growth cycle, leading to thinning hair or even hair loss. What's more, a balanced diet is vital for hair health. It provides your body with the necessary nutrients it needs to produce healthy hair. However, it's not always easy to get all these nutrients from your diet alone. That's where supplements can come in handy, but we'll delve into that in our next scene. Indeed, the science of hair growth is fascinating. But how can we use this knowledge to our advantage? Stick around as we take this discussion further in the following scenes, where we'll explore the role of supplements in promoting healthier, thicker, and fuller hair. Enter the world of hair growth supplements, a beacon of hope for those grappling with hair loss. These small but mighty capsules contain a cocktail of nutrients that our bodies need to produce healthy hair. When our diet lacks these essential nutrients, our hair growth cycle can be disrupted, leading to thinner, weaker hair. Hair growth supplements work by providing these missing nutrients, effectively filling in the gaps in our diet. They supply our bodies with the tools needed to produce healthy hair, including vitamins like biotin, which is known for its role in hair growth, and minerals like iron, which supports the production of red blood cells that deliver oxygen and nutrients to our hair follicles. But don't just take our word for it. Let's delve into the science. Multiple research studies have found a correlation between nutrient deficiencies and hair loss. For example, a study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that individuals experiencing hair loss had significantly lower levels of certain nutrients, like biotin and iron, compared to those without hair loss. This is where Foley Growth Hair Growth Supplement comes into play. Foley Growth is a scientifically backed solution that's been specifically designed to address these nutrient deficiencies. It contains a potent blend of over 20 vitamins, minerals, and herbs that have been shown to support hair growth. These include biotin, iron, and even lesser-known nutrients like saw palmetto, which has been shown to help block the production of a hormone that can lead to hair loss. What sets Foley Growth apart is not just its comprehensive nutrient profile, but also its commitment to quality. Each ingredient is carefully sourced and meticulously tested to ensure its potency and purity. This rigorous quality control process ensures that every capsule delivers the nutrients your hair needs to thrive. So, if you're tired of trying to cover up thinning hair, it may be time to consider a more proactive approach. Foley Growth is not just a supplement, it's a scientifically backed solution for men seeking thicker, fuller, stronger hair. So, what makes Foley Growth stand out from the crowd? Well, let's delve into the heart of the matter. Unlike many other hair growth supplements, Foley Growth takes a comprehensive approach to supporting hair health. It's not just about promoting growth, it's about nourishing the entire hair strand from root to tip. Foley growth is bursting with over 20 essential vitamins, minerals, and herbs, each selected for their specific roles in supporting hair health. Imagine a symphony of nutrients all working in harmony to create the perfect environment for your hair to thrive. From biotin, which aids in keratin production, to saw palmetto, a natural DHT blocker, each ingredient in Foley growth has a purpose. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some real users. Like Jack, a 40-something architect who noticed his hair was thinning. After 3 months of using Foley growth, he saw a significant improvement in the thickness and texture of his hair. Or Sarah, a hairstylist who recommends Foley growth to her male clients experiencing hair thinning. She's seen firsthand the transformative impact it can have. Then there's the science to back it up. Numerous studies have shown the efficacy of the ingredients in Foley growth. For example, research has shown that biotin can improve hair strength and shine, while saw palmetto may help prevent hair loss by blocking DHT, a hormone linked to hair thinning. But perhaps the most defining feature of Foley growth is its commitment to quality. Each capsule is manufactured in the USA in a GMP-certified facility, ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety. So you see, Foley growth is more than just a supplement. It's a carefully crafted formula designed to nourish, strengthen, and protect your hair. It's about giving you the confidence that comes with having a full, thick head of hair. Remember, hair is more than just an aesthetic feature. It's a reflection of your health and vitality. It's part of your identity. So why not give it the care it deserves? For your convenience, a link in the description will take you directly to this effective and exceptional supplement. Hair loss doesn't have to be a life sentence. It's a powerful refrain that we've examined in our journey today. We've delved into the intricacies of hair loss, the science of hair growth, and the role of supplements in fortifying your follicles. We've discovered that the key to combating hair loss lies not in complicated procedures or expensive treatments, but in a tiny capsule packed with nature's best. Foley growth. Hair growth supplement, a potent blend of vitamins, minerals, and natural extracts designed specifically to fortify your follicles, stimulate growth, and give you the thicker, fuller, stronger hair you desire. We've seen how this exceptional product taps into the power of science, harnessing the benefits of proven ingredients like biotin, saw palmetto, and FOTI. We've explored how these elements work in harmony, nourishing your hair from within to produce noticeable results on the outside. But remember, knowledge is only as good as the action it inspires. This is your opportunity to take control, to make a change, to rewrite your hair's future. Foley growth. Hair growth. Supplement isn't just a product, it's a step towards renewed confidence, a statement of self-care, a commitment to your well-being. So why wait? Subscribe to our channel and check out the product link in the description to take the first step towards thicker, fuller, stronger hair today.